Alright guys, so what's up? Today we're going to be talking about LLM Crate. LLM Crate is the solution to when you have a lot of prompts and you want to do reusable tasks. LLM Crate is the one for you. Now, I'm going to be reviewing what it's like to use LLM Crate and explaining, and also the architect upgrade. If you get the architect upgrade, you get tons of prompts and you get the basic scaffold to boost the main use. I mean, LLM Crate on its own, super versatile, super useful. We're gonna see in just a moment. But with the architect upgrade, it's just gonna be the sprinkle on top that's gonna be a whole power course. So let's just install it. We got it right here, LLM Crate. We're gonna open up, and as we open LLM Crate for the first time, it's gonna ask for permission. Of course, we give it the permission, and there it is, LLM Crate. Super simple for you to get started. So we have three modes. We have reader mode, that's going to display all the prompts. We got builder mode for you to start your prompts, and the trickiest in a good way, like the best part of it, my favorite, is the document template. So you know that for me, in our philosophy here, it's the prompting. Sometimes you think that you need to get the best prompt ever, but sometimes you need a structured request so that your ChatGPT, Claude can always give you what you want. Reusable, just rename the values and you are gonna get what you are needing for. So, for example, we have several prompts right here. Let's write, if it's image or a tool, something else, you can assign it by type so you can later filter it on. If you have image prompts that are the specific ones, you can look it up, and the text also helpful for you to look around it, writing, polish, and you can mark it as favorite if you like. So you create a prompt, and there you go, the prompt goes here. Good thing about this is that we integrate it, so you can just press and you're gonna open a new ChatGPT session with your prompt goes here, right here. Or you could just plot it out right here. We're gonna send it to Claude. So to get it, you gotta sign in, but just one click, connect it right away, or you can copy the prompt to your clipboard as well. Get it right there. That's the prompt side, super helpful. Now the document side is pretty tricky because, in a good way, because let's say we want like daily summary. I want you to do a daily summary So we use this convention, and just to double check that you did it properly, I added this button right here called scan placeholders. It's gonna scan what you did, and this is gonna confirm, double check that what you were composing here, it's reusable. So we have the weekday, character length, and the output tone style. Oh, see, I was about to save it and I forgot one of these brackets right here, so let's add it, and voila, scan placeholders, you got the fourth. So now we can create this template, save here. Now you can fill it out, view all instances, like all the times you've used it before. Let's say you want to recap or you like the other style a little bit better. Instances is just for that. Edit is to edit the raw template. Lock is if you just want to commit to it. It's just in case, not necessary. You don't need to lock it, but it's there. And delete is just if you don't want to have it anymore, you want to purge. So you want to save it as an instance. Let's do it for June request, and then I want 2000. Let's write 1950. Flow chart. That's super crazy. The tone style for the week of 3/2/1/21. And so we're just focusing on filling these variables here, and the paragraph automatically fills out the prompt. So document in LLM Crate is a builder to build your prompts and reuse it in the future. So right here with June request, we can create an instance, and right away you can download it as a markdown if you'd like, right here. You want to send it to ChatGPT, Claude, got it right here. You want to copy to clipboard, right there. You want to edit the values, all available. So let's see what's up. It's going to test it out. Send, voila, all done. One click, it's already doing the thing. All right, so the request was done successfully. We saved our instance. Now we can have it in memory. Now the thing here is that let's see the instances, which right there, you can see what you filled at that time. You can delete it if you don't want it. It's not going to delete the main form. You see, you can delete the instance. You don't need to lose your form. It's super organized, super simple. You got a little dark mode right here if you want, but the main core usage is super helpful. Now, we're going to be talking about what happens if you get the Architect Deluxe pack. When you get the Architect Deluxe Architect upgrade, we're going to get the instructions, which is to come here and replace it with the prompts. The instructions are there, so you can always remember where to go, what to do. So we come here, let's open a new tab. Come here, do this, and that is the default prompts DB that we have. It's 268 kilobytes, so let's write backup prompts, and then you write your new prompts from the Architect upgrade. I'll write it here as an upgrade, Architect upgrade prompts. Just so you, in the future you can know what's up. All right, so we got applications, we open it. I added my personal prompts. I added the awesome prompts starter pack, shout out to them. But the main concepts are super useful here. You can find it through Architects Lab or through monday.exe. You can filter out which are the architect prompts. You got 14 prompts that are super useful over here, and then you have the documents, which are very crazy useful. Let's talk about it in just a moment. So I have some sidecar prompts, foundation prompts. You can test it out right here, right away. It's gonna be sending it, so I mean, you could edit here. Maybe you don't call it Monday. Maybe you're using ChatGPT, your name. You can replace it, but it's right there so that you know what to do, what goes where. So, main cool thing here is that we have the tags. We have everything prepared, ready. Usage count if you used it. Super cool. Now, the document. My favorite ones are the creative blog post, Monte Carlo simulator, polynomial regression, and all these based on the context that we already have. So let's try the deep search. So you wanna, okay. So you want to know how to make your own ice cream company. And that's it. I mean, you can create the instance, you can copy, click it, maybe you want to do this, and then you upload a file, maybe you have something else, maybe you have this, repo sources, whatever you want, you drag the MD, upload a file here, it's source MD, it's going to take it right here, it doesn't matter because it's the uploaded file here. But the idea is that with all these prompts, you can get a lot of things done. You can start it up, edit it if you like. You have so much where to go from. Decision trees, you want to decide something. Dinero, maybe you want to do about home remodeling. Maybe you want to do fitness. Maybe you want to do lose weight. Whatever problem you have, this one right here, the decision tree, next level. All these little templates and forms are great places to start from. Super helpful. You can get these. So that's LLM Crate. It's such a useful, very useful prompt library. I honestly like the idea that you can export this. Really, you can import and then you can export. Like it's saving here from export. You can. And then you're gonna get all your prompts, all the things that you have at the time, all the prompts that you have been using. Maybe you have something like, let's say, you have your existing existing super cool prompts list and you want to add it to LLM Crate. So what you would do in this case is you would ask ChatGPT to do something like this, preferably Codex, because this is a little bit longer. Depending on how many prompts you have, how much we would be needing to convert, you can use something like following this reference schema, the JSON uploaded here, convert my existing prompts list of what you would be writing. I like to use land script in these moments because I don't want it to get confused. I don't want it to be ambiguous. It's super simple once you get the hang of it. So you just write the existing prompts list and you write this reference schema, which is JSON uploaded here. I want you to convert what my existing prompts list, which is the markdown uploaded here, into a JSON file based on reference schema, only to output the existing prompt list and what I had, JSON. You can make it even more cohesive like this. See, land script, you can always refine, do little things so that I can save it. And you get the JSON, you import it here, you put imports, it's going to be added to the thing. So LLM Crate, super helpful. I like it. One of my apps that I love, especially the document templates and how you can save it all, import it, put it all together. You should totally try it out. And if you want more request features that we can add to it, let me know. But LLM Crate is one job, which is the crate where you store all your prompts, all your forms, so you can reuse them and you know where to look for. You don't need to go to scrolling and finding things, because this is about optimizing your workflow. All right, so we have it right there.